Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. MDC candidates rally support in Nongstoin ahead of February 21st election. Hito lodges complaint against NPP over alleged voter misleading in West Jantia Hills. EKHL TWA Vice President raises parking concerns with Nazareth Hospital authorities. And KHADC 2025 elections, 12 women contesting among 158 candidates. And now the news in detail. On February 17th, candidates from various political parties and independent hopefuls gathered in Nongstoin to showcase their principles and gain voter support ahead of the KHADC and JHEDC elections. The meeting took place at Nongstoin Market, organized by village authorities, with the venue packed with residents from across the West Khasi Hills district. 6 candidates from different parties addressed the crowd, each outlining their views and plans for the community. The participants included Demender Lungdo BJP, Dr. Jirisman Yaupnyao VPP, Badariti Lungdo Nonglat HSPDP, Dressa Marngar NPP, GNS Merthong INC, and independent candidate Michael Thongni. The streets of Nongstoin were alive with supporters, marking an unprecedented turnout in recent years. Voters will make their final decision on February 21st, when the region will cast its ballots for the much-anticipated MDC elections.
District Council, hanggang nga joga jaga pagpaglawan panbansya Shafi, yung nga jinggan kang pangindan, nagaan nga pati kinakapan panskan, yung nga shinjad na kakami, katuwa ka bel ka manila kantor, how District Council of Feminist of Preston, who ex-MLA Jampi yung pansisya na ta, haging medjing yung tren, ujugang teng-teng bagi, pwede po YouTube, kanusin kamadang piling daw alay, hagmadjong nadjong kajala, magpinor, bunaya kumuhor, magkalonggan kapatik na, maninyo panpanskan, yung kajat yung ikasi, magansyon na kakuli, walawpan pa uwibin, banbalong yung akong ka-MDC, kaniya kaway kamachong kajindawa, hanggang ang por, nagabagurong, nagkanmaoy Dr. Don, baday President yung ka-UDP, bago ay aruan bulay in sakhiya kata, isaw sa na yung kajisyabe yung nagapati, ibay maalantri, baywan yung gando yung ahir, kung manangin ayok hiya kakam chairman, yung ka-social welfare, ngang tere, papinrong sandan siya ka-UDP, stan ngong balan la daw lay ubit sa play kalan langan day tang kalong tray kapalit tam sa party.
Kita mulai drill balik, mulai drill komplek, bamang, mulai pakai cakam, nak kamak mana banyak 35. Nak ada pilih pos nam, nak mulai belum takut, mana lagi mana, mulai nak pakai, ada muda di belakang kiri, pada kantin orang kunjung. Jadi aku berkata, hamba mereka ini datang dia, untuk dapat semua, mereka mesti mau, pada tidak menjadikan.
The leaders of Nyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, in Shillong City, filed a complaint against NPP office bearers in West Jaintia Hills for allegedly misleading voters regarding the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, PMAYG. The complaint claims that some NPP officials told voters to support the party candidate in exchange for their names being included in the PMAYG scheme. Balaji Jarwa, General Secretary of HITO, condemned this as a violation of the Model Code of Conduct, stressing that such behavior is unacceptable. Since the CEO was unavailable, the complaint was submitted to the personal assistant. The incident has raised concerns about the integrity of the ongoing election process.
Ngikum ka Nyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization, matasing awan matasing po additional secretary ban kendo yau PDR tiwari le setang ba umdan pan te kajingwan jongi matakas ngiro kolong ba ngiwan bu complain ka formal complaint against kiniki party workers shani siya po West Jaintia Hills Lamar Balay dagani ka scheme PMAYG kani ka Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin te dakani ka scheme ki penbit ikibre ba fide ban tap kita ki candidates yung kim ada fitap kini tiga kerteng jong firu kan mi EA hapo jong kaneka PMAYG but artaru kini yo preference ru nang tapat ki hablek mi ru shu MLA ban yo ya kani ka scheme te kani ka long ka gross violation yung ka Model Code of Conduct jong ka Election Commission of India ro te ka long ba hakata kanong rem hingiwan mentakas ngi hang ne banbu ikan ka formal complaint amar balay siya ni siya po West Jaintia Hills kini labon ki complaint niyo ki complaint na ki paiba himo ki phone ki paiba bakaja kunta te kadai siya na amba mo ke ka bakita ki scheme mangiyo lamba jung ki MLA andrei kat kumngin na pensya pat ka PMAYG kamdera ka scheme bawan kadi ka centrally kamdera ka state funded scheme andrei kadi centrally funded scheme de ya kaniro kadan la kajong ka rukom trikam ka rukom sami ki beneficiary segini ki ya kani ka scheme de andrei hangne pat ngilap bangiyo sngo mo ba kidan kita ki breu baki pen thame ki breu hakata ka rukom ba lada fitap yang ingin yo umta fin yo kita ki benefit kan
tiga kita kani ka party yo balik amna
katkum ka jing complain jing ki breu ni yo complain ni ki breu kalong ba kidai hi na po ka ruling party kata kalong ba ka NPP hi
tiga ka igiting kuat NPP
Paima nakaliang juni te lada kade ka rumors ru.
John Pascal Pde, Vice President of the East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association, EKHLTWA, recently addressed parking issues at Nazareth Hospital. Commercial vehicle drivers have been facing difficulties in parking and visiting patients as guards have not been allowing them to park on the hospital premises. Hospital authorities explained that the issue arose when some taxis would park their vehicles but leave to visit other locations, occupying spaces unnecessarily. They clarified that parking is allowed when spaces are available, but if the lots are full, they are unable to accommodate additional vehicles. Pde has urged both the hospital and taxi unions to work together for a more efficient parking solution.
Kani kalau hadirin ke jingyo jing jual nak kalian jadi pajba payde bakal jing ya yang kali taksi apa kapas ka hospital. Te hadin mengilawan kedua ya ka administrator ka Nazaret Hospital ngelayo ka jipensya nakaliang joka. Bat nakaliang jongi seng ru ngelayo stu jemut lang pak hospital. Te nakaliang jongi seng ru imaham jor iki taksi ki bayang po ka hospital kampas mani apa senjar kem ka emergency purpose. Kada kolong ke jingyo ujor nakaliang jumpai ba. Kajing ujor kolong ni kan. Amar kidon ki bawan suan ai kabam. Dan ni kidon ki bawan suan ai pisah. Dan ni teng kidon ki bawan suan ki kendu. Dai nakaliang joka hospital ki bisa kan kinjang. Watang sipang ro.
Ini wan hang ni apa Nazaret Hospital mentan. Ni ada wan apa kan Graham Hospital. Ni akan berki administration untuk apa. Tele ongi kuno ba ngi ada ekran bagi batang teng ngi kum ki debat taksi ngilong kuma ngi sosi kadang teng bakal kum bagi syanyor deh dulu hostel ya ki lokal taksi apa sosi kalau batang teng kadang ke emergency ki semua sibuk mentah kebahiang conga ka melong kalok conga ni ka kun conga ngiwan hang ni men drop i ben patient nang men ma ngiwan i berbu ki teng teng kidon ki cekar rei tang ben penha pas drop dia sendiri update anak teh ngi kata hendak ngi kuat bala kumdu at least ngidan tang sibuk kakun conga ni kalok conga ngap drop iki apa kadang dan cakap badang lain ala dengan bakan pak sipang bakan hadu bakan yo bakan bendiok rungi lok ikun conga sepok kan hadian bakan kun conga kalok conga rung sepok ngala dia penbiang pembet iki teh hadian kata tengah nak dap kakam tong lain nok sien hi tak ai bet long pas sosi kalau batang teng ya ikun apa emergency mar sendap ruk ilok dan ikun juga berdeng support wat tang ngi driver ngi debar taksi teng saya ngi yo mandap pribet ba kata ka ba hendrai wat taksi ngam dai ke taksi jongi ngi subala taksi jong ki wai hendrai bing yourself de pribet saya ngi yo kan won drop apa hostal ngi don kam de taksi ki bangi bela banyak malang taksi jong ki wai pat ngi bela ngi won drop ik pesnar oh ya ki nong pang passion nong tu hostal hi ibahiang la chong behasam la chong kumbang ong him ta lam sedang de ketemi di ilok conga ikmi conga men conga para conga namar ngim don taksi ai ngi don tang tu taksi ne lakum do kumuru aba kadang don caka de ben ailat tinggal bekram be imta di ong dei ben ailat yang gila kalkular imtan bahkan akan cap bahkan pedang ya kata ne tang kawai kalong ba di bas ngosi pa di don kino kiba tentang ngicem chance ngisem kebu lakum driver taksi conga punyang kai taksi itu berisngi kamlong kan kata andai kumlak pencai no vice president ki metapat andai lagi ngidon kitu kikat ki bang ki slip layar postal ki badai shisha de ngidon patient tu ki nopang nak.
In the upcoming KHADC 2025 elections, a total of 158 candidates are contesting across 29 constituencies, with only 12 women vying for seats. Of the 158 candidates, 12 women have been nominated by various political parties and as independents. The NPP has fielded 4 women candidates: Magdalene S. Maulong, Omsning, Rona Khumdet, Nongpo, Amanda Bakanteng, Maukenro, and Grace Kharpuri, Nongshken. Magdalene Saukume and Grace Kharpuri currently serve as executive members in the executive committee. The HSPDP has nominated Badariti Lingdo Nonglan, Nongstoin, and Pinda Wajri Mauthat Raishan, while the VPP has Iban Daplin Lingdo Malem and Deiti Majau Lajumkra Malki. The UDP's candidate is Napishisha Marwain Umroy, and the BJP has Daniela Nonglan Maulai. Independent candidates include Soni Kharjana Soyong and Arina Nyota Shela. This marks a significant representation of women in the local political landscape. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.